What's up you guys, and welcome back to today's video, where today we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm for the month of July 2021. I hope you guys had a wonderful 4th of July. I know I did. I had a great time with my family. I got a little tan. If you guys can't tell right here, look at this tan. I hope you guys had a wonderful time with your family, friends, whatever it is, or maybe you guys kept it low-key. We definitely did. We hung out just with ourselves and just kept it kind of low-key, did our own little firework thing. You know, something small this time. Normally, we like to, you know, get together with a bunch of people, but for some reason, we just want to do something small. So I'm going to go ahead and stop talking so we don't keep you guys waiting any longer, and let's get to this unboxing. So this month's theme is Boxycharm Fantasy. Get it? Sea, ocean, yeah. Go ahead and get started with the very first thing, which is by Pharmacy. I freaking love Pharmacy products, you guys. I used their oil-free moisturizer, their, what do you call it? The stuff that, cleansing balm that takes off their makeup. Holy cow, that stuff is phenomenal. So right here, I have the Whipped Greens oil-free foaming cleanser, which I have yet to try. Like I said, I've tried those multiple things. Oh, and their eye cream. Their eye cream is also really good, but I've yet to try their cleansers, I believe. But this is their foaming cleanser, and it is paraben-free, synthetic fragrance-free, mineral oil-free, cruelty-free, phthalate-free, and formaldehyde donor-free is what it says. I actually was introduced to Pharmacy through our unboxings, and I cannot believe I waited as long as I did to try their products because I really, really like them. This is the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. Oh. Supposed to be firming, depuffing, and brightening. I actually feel like I could have used that this morning. I may have had a few drinks last night. Yeah, about that. Oh, and they're all falling out. They're all falling out. Oh no, oh no, oh no. All right, back inside. All right, so here you have them. They're like a deep blue shade. I have a freaking fly in here. Do you guys see him? I have a freaking fly in here, and I cannot get to him. And of course, like right when I'm filming, he decides that he wants to hang out. Stupid fly. We're just going to continue on. All right, so we got another skincare product. This is the Dermalect Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Cream or Serum. Sorry, this is a serum. I haven't heard of this brand, but here you have it. A lot of skincare again. I was kind of hoping for more makeup this time because I feel like last month, you guys let me know if you feel the same way, but last month I got a lot of skincare, I feel like. Yeah, I felt that way. These are so cute. What are these? These are makeup blending sponge kits. They're latex-free and super soft, and they are by the brand M2U. Look at that. How cute are they? The little box is cute. I could always use more sponges. I actually just threw away my last sponge. Finally, a makeup product. I'm excited about that. And then the last thing I have in this box is the Billion Dollar Brows in the shade Taupe. This is their brow pencil. Taupe is probably going to be way too light for me. I normally use dark brown. Oh. That is not light at all. But that's pretty dark for a taupe. Am I right or am I wrong? I feel like that's dark. It works. It is a very thin pencil too, so I do like that. You know, the pencil that I am using right now, the pencil I'm using for my brows is by Huda Beauty. The like, whatever you call it, the brow pencil by Huda Beauty. Holy cow, I love it. We got 3 skincare, 2 makeup items in here. Yeah. I am still waiting for my premium box. This one was sent to me by a Boxycharm, so thank you very much to Boxycharm for sending that to me. All right, so what do you guys think? I'm not very excited about this box. It's fine. I just have so much skincare that it like is just becoming a little bit too overwhelming, and I really would like more makeup, but I mean, that's just me. Let me know down below if you guys are excited or what you guys are hoping to get in your boxes coming up. And make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to my channel, as well as the thumbs up to let me know you guys still like unboxings. This fly is driving me nuts. I will see you guys all in my next video, and I am going to go kill this fly right now, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.